All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was absolutely wonderful session. Now let's move on to the next topic. Next topic is going to be one more interesting and one more tip which I'm going to give you, and this will boost up your YouTube videos like anything. And let me quickly go back and let me tell you what the topic is. Topic is how to add end screen and cards and why it is important. Too many people don't know. Let me tell you, 93% people don't know how to add end cards. What is the importance of that end screen and cards, what is important. Let me quickly go back to the website and we'll show you how does the YouTube looks like and what is the importance of the cards. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to quickly show you one video which is how to add from the beginning in the YouTube, so that you will come to know the small things which you have to take care. Alright, so first of all, you go to your channel. On the right hand side you see the plus icon here. Just click on the plus icon. Once you click on plus icon, there is go live and upload video, and when we're going to upload the video, once you click on upload video, you have to browse the video. You click on this arrow, you can select the files. I'll click on the arrow and I'll go to my video location. I'll just say take one sample video, which is nothing but I'll just take this sample video. Okay, I'll click on this. It is uploading now. It will take some time. It will show you this window. Look at the tabs: details, video elements, and visibility. So each tab, each component of the tab is very important. Details. Now details means the title. Remember, I told you title is very important. The limit is 100. You should be keeping it 75. So this video is about my promo ad. So what I'll show my promo ad is learning the digital ecosystem or digital world. So what I'll do, 3 secrets to build your your course, or 3 secrets to start your course, 3 secrets to start your digital course. Once I say this, look at this. I'll just put one bar in between so that it look good. Step by step guide to build your ecosystem. Once I say like this, it has covered 85%. That is okay. My title is ready. Description, as I told you, that description is very important, and I hope you will design your description. You will paste it here. I'm not pasting it right now. This is very important. Thumbnail. Now look at this. What YouTube does, YouTube gives you 3 screens and asks you to select any one of the screen, but personally speaking, you should not select any of the screen. You should go for thumbnail. So I'll click on thumbnail, which I have created sample thumbnail, which is here. I'll just say okay, I'll just take this. Look at this. You will prefer this to click or you'll prefer this to click. Definitely you'll prefer the proper thumbnail, right? And it should have bold big letters so that it is clearly visible when it's on the right hand side. Okay, let's go down. Always select no, it's not for kids. Always select no, it's not for kids, and then go ahead and say look at the more options. What are the more options? Yes, this is the tags. This is the place where we need to add the tags. So what the good practice is, always select this, your title, 3 secrets to make your digital course. I'll go here, I'll come here, I'll open one more YouTube channel. I'll click on this content in the search box. I'll check which is the video which is doing good. How to sell online courses, 109k views, 22k views, then 240k views. So I guess this is Neil Patel's video which is doing good. So I'll click on this.
Digital marketing is exploding.
I'll stop it and let my TubeBuddy do the magic. Till the TubeBuddy is opening, let me tell you that what can be other things to be done. So what I'm going to do is description will put it. I have selected the thumbnail, proper thumbnail. I have selected no, it's not made for kids, and then I will show you how to add the end card as well, end screen as well. First we are working on the tags, right? So let me check if the tags are ready. It is taking some time. Till then, okay, we'll skip the tag till now. I'll show you. First, learn how to go to end cards. So just I click on next. This is the screen which is called as video elements, and look at the 2 components, add end screen and add cards. So when I click on add end screen is nothing but in last 30 seconds you will see one small screen popping up and one round kind of shape where you see your YouTube channel logo. So it is giving you an option to click on that channel where people will subscribe you at the end of the reminder to subscribe. And there is one more video which is coming up, which will tell you that if you like this video, you can click on this video as well. In this way, people will be related to you, people will be bound to see your videos, and in this way this will increase your views, this will increase the total subscription of your channel. So now I'll click on add screen. I'll just click on add screen, and this is the template, which I almost love it, because look at this is a 59-minute video, and it is putting in the 40 seconds 40th part. It means it is putting in the 75th part. It has automatically picked up the most viewed video. Otherwise, there are many options. You can just click on element, or you can click on this and you can choose your video, which one you want. It will take the recent, it will get best per viewer, it can choose the top 10, and you can choose any one of it. If I choose this, it will be selected this is my subscribe button, and I'll say save. So what happened? My end screen is ready. Now add cards. What is this add card? Is nothing but I button. You might have seen many times when YouTube videos, you're watching the YouTube videos, you people say that you can watch in the I button, right? The videos in the I button. So what you have to do is you just got to click on here, click on the video, select any of the video which you want to put, and the I card, the I button is added. So people is watching this, interested in this topic, you will click on there, and this is how you can select the timing for your I card, and this is how you have select your I card. So add screen is clear, adding the card is clear, and now let's go to the next. Let's see the visibility. Now if we go to this visibility, it is just a publishing option. Private is nothing but will be visible only to you. Unlisted is something. I'll just click on unlisted right now. It will be shown, your YouTube video will be shown only to the people whom you will share the link. Otherwise it will not be listed in your YouTube channels. It will not be available in the search option. And remember, if the video is unlisted or private, it will not considered for the monetization. You will not be paid for that. So remember, unlisted is something video which is only for you, which is only you want to share for specific people, but always keep it public if you want to earn money from it. And the last option is schedule. You can schedule the video as well. Now this is very, very important. Suppose if you have 10-20 videos at a time, never ever put all the videos in a one day. No, algorithm should have a practice of reading your pattern. For example, I publish my videos on Wednesdays and Sundays 9 p.m. By doing this, YouTube algorithm has a common understanding that this channel is running the video, uploading the video on Wednesday and Sunday 9 p.m. That is the magic. So keep uploading the videos, but schedule a timing, and this schedule will keep engaging the YouTube algorithm, and that will be not load for you as well. So okay, I'll make it unlisted right now. Okay, and click on save. This is your link. Video has been uploaded and done. Now only thing remaining is tags. So what we'll do, we'll just click on here. Let me see where the video is. This is the video. Why should make videos, 3 secrets. Where's the unlisted videos? It will normally show in the video section. So this is the one sample which we just uploaded. I'll just click on here. I'll click on edit, description. Look at this. Go down, there is no tags, right? Now let's see. Oh, Neil Patel still not done.
Digital marketing is exploding. Google makes over 100 billion a year through ads.
So we got it. So what we have to do is just copy this. Click on copy all the tags. Come here, look at the SEO score, 95. Neil Patel, he's a digital guru, right? That's why he knows each and everything. So what I'll do, I have just copied these tags because Neil Patel knows which are the best tried. And click on this show research, and now see all maximum are green. So these are tried and tested. So what you have to do is just click on the tags and paste it here. Boom, you're ready to go. Click on save, and your video is done. Best video. Remember, this is the best video. Optimization, everything is properly done. Isn't it absolutely amazing? So ladies and gentlemen, the point of telling you is this is the smart way to upload the videos, adding the end screen, adding the tags, adding the cards. So I thought, let's consume everything in this one video. I have shown you the process, how to upload a video, how to use TubeBuddy, and that will make your things very easy. Now the things will be clear, pretty much clear to you. This will help you to grow your channel. One viral video can do the magic for you. Remember, one viral video can bring you the 1000 subscribers, can bring 4,000 hours of watch time, and people have started monetizing their channel in 1 month as well. So this is the magic of YouTube. You are learning the tips and tricks, ladies and gentlemen. Please write in the comment section which is the best option. You find it out what is the best in this video. I'm super duper excited to read your comments, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.